video, we're going to talk about the spread operator. We're going to build first a function that receives an unlimited number of parameters and adds them together. So let's write the function. Arguments catches all the parameters that are sent to the function. It's an array like a variable, but it's not an array. Okay, and we're gonna iterate over it. Okay, so we have the function, and this will add all the parameters that are sent to it. So I'm gonna do a small test. Of 1, 2, 3 equals, okay, sum 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we're gonna run this just to make sure everything works perfectly. So I'm gonna use node. Okay, it's 6. Okay, now let's declare a variable which is gonna be an array of numbers. And we're gonna have 1, 2, and 3 in it. Okay, so now we're gonna use the spread operator. What the spread operator does, we're gonna use like this. When we call the function, we use 3 dots and then array of number. What actually this does, it does something like this, like sum of 1, 2, and 3. It's an equivalent of this. But for example, in this case, when you don't know how many elements the array of numbers will have, you can use this general function and spread them. This general function that adds all the parameters that are sent to it to get the total of this array of numbers. So if we run this, it's still going to be 6, and we can add as many as we want. Let's see. So this is what the spread operator does. It spreads the array of elements across. This is also really good if you want to concatenate arrays. If you have another array, for example, var array of strings A, B, and C, and you want to concatenate them and create a new array with both values. So you can do like this. Both arrays. I don't have a better name now. So you can open the square brackets, and you can use the spread operator. We put the array of numbers first, and then we spread the array of strings. Okay, and the result should be, so is gonna be, better said, both arrays. It's gonna concatenate them. So I think spread operator is really good, and in the future we're gonna have a spread operator for objects, but I think that's in stage 3 at TC39 committee, and I'm not sure when exactly will be implemented. Okay, so basically that's it for the spread operator. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.